In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an accordion in Webflow. We're about to delve into the process of creating a fully functional accordion that you can incorporate into your Webflow website. So let's get started by heading over to your Webflow dashboard. Now when you're logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is locate and click on a div block. This will serve as the container for your accordion content. Selecting the div block is essential because it helps structure your accordion by housing the various interactive elements you'll need. Once you have your div block, click on it to make sure it's selected. You'll want to add a text block inside this div block next. This text block will serve as the title or header of your accordion, which users will click to expand or collapse the content. After adding the text block, rename it to something meaningful. Renaming your layers and blocks in Webflow isn't just about organization, it makes finding and editing components later far easier, especially when dealing with complex designs. With the div block and text block set, click on another div block within your interface. This will be for the accordion content, which will expand or collapse when the accordion header is clicked. You'll then need to add another div block within this new block. This additional div block will act as the container for the content revealed when the accordion is opened. Next, let's enhance your accordion with an image. Click on image within your interface, and then click on replace image to select the image you want to include as part of your accordion. Images can convey a lot quickly, so choose something relevant that complements your accordion content. Move on to clicking on another div block, then access the settings for it. In the settings panel, click on style and choose your desired style for the accordion. Styling is crucial here as it builds the visual identity of your accordion, ensuring it's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Type accordion in the style selector to apply consistent styling to your accordion. This provides a cohesive look, making sure users recognize it's a part of the same component. Next, set the height and width to 0, as they'll expand when the text block is interacted with. Speaking of interactions, select your text block and click on interactions to add an element trigger. Choose mouse click, tap, then proceed to select an action where you'll click on start an animation. Search for accordion and select the FAQ accordion open to adjust its settings accordingly. To ensure everything works smoothly, preview your project. Click on preview to test the interaction and see your accordion in action. If adjustments are needed, this is the best time to make them. Once satisfied, it's time to publish. Click on publish, choose publish to selected domains, and once it's published, click close. Congratulations, you've successfully created and implemented an accordion in Webflow, enhancing your site's interactivity and user experience.